Hello. In this video, I will show you how to integrate paid member subscriptions with MemberPress. Now, go to the MemberPress settings page. Open the Integrations tab. This is the MemberPress integration page. Here you can see 22 plus default integrations. Enable paid member subscriptions. MemberPress provides multiple integration options. After setting all options, then click to Save button. Save the changes. Now go to the Affiliates page. This is the MemberPress Affiliates page. Here you can see all the affiliate users for this site. Using an affiliate link, the customer visits your website. The customer opens your link and then purchases the membership plan. This is the paid member subscriptions pricing page. Click Buy Now button. Enter the basic details. Select Payment Method and click to Register button. See Successfully Purchased Membership Plan. Go to the backend side MemberPress Commission page. This is the MemberPress Commission page. Here, you can see all the commission-related record. See, the first record is Paid Member Subscriptions, Platinum Product Commission. Go to the Affiliate User Affiliate panel. This is the MemberPress Affiliate panel. Now open the Commission tab. Here can see the commission-related record. Affiliate user also sets Disable Commission on a membership plan WISE. Go to the Paid Member Subscriptions Subscription Plans page. Add new subscription plan, otherwise edit existing plan. See top this page. MemberPress Commission Settings section. Enable this option and disable commission in this plan. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel.